Maru thinker after a long time, and today I'm going to speak about the questions that will be asked in interview in 2026. I can say this because I'm software engineer senior working in Europe, working for European Union. I've been living in Europe for 3 years. That's why I say I can ask. I've been through so many interviews. That's why I got experience about this question. So let's start with first question. And remember, guys, this is for front end. For front end, it can be React, it can be Vue or Angular. They will be ask you about these questions. Let's start for the first time. For the first question. The first question that they ask me, all the interview that I had is, what are the JavaScript primitive type, or what are the primitive type in JS? If you were able to explain like what are the primitive types in JS, you'll be fine. It is very easy. Second, the difference between var, let, and cost. Let's remove var. Basically, they will ask you the difference between let and const, and when can you use one, and when you can use the other. And they can ask you to type a example. Say third one is closure. They will ask you about the closure and give the real use case of closure, and they will ask you also what is the importance of we using closure. That's why, guys, be focused. If you don't know, study. Don't try to guess or go to ChatGPT just to say and read something. Understand the concept. If you times up the video, I can go by all these question and make another video explain like one by one. Or you can answer, or you can write the codes. If basically your feedback, guys, I will be able to make another video going through this question and explain you one by one. Fourth one is the hosting. Yeah, this come all the interview. You will be able to, if you were able to explain the hosting, yeah, it will be fine. The difference between these, this is very simple. It doesn't come for other interview, but yeah, it is better for you to know. But it's, if you if you work for Frontier, it is like very easy. That's why I don't need to say anything. Explain the difference between async await and promise. Yeah, it's come for all the interview, guys. You must know this like very well. You must be able to explain. If you based on your feedback, you can like choose the order like that I can make video in order to explain. If you want for me to start to explain async await, yeah, I can start. And event loop, event loops like async await and event loops like is like the pro. They come for all the interview, but I'm speaking about Europe that I'm working for, that I've been through so many interview that it's come like for the interview. That's why, guys, this is like a simplification of the question that I know that for 2026 it will come for the interview. Based on your feedback, guys, I would like to make another videos explain by one how you can answer all these questions, or they like the proper way for you to explain. They will know if you just go to ChatGPT. They ask you 3 questions, and it will be like a life code. You and the technical leads of the project that will be applying for the job. That's why I I'm asking you guys to basically in your feedbacks, and you give me a feedback you what the next video can be. If I can speak about the sync await, if you can speak about event looping, if you can speak about hoisting, it's the kind of you just write here in the comments which video I can do next. But basically this is the question that I would like advice for the people that are looking for the new, like they want to change the project, or they want to like to, I'm applying for the first job. They must focus on this question. I can ask you, like I can say to you that it will come for your interview. Yeah, this is like you must be in touch for this study if you don't know, and send the concept. And for the next video I will be going to one by one of this topic and I explain properly, even with the codes. And yeah, that's why, guys. Thank you for your attention, and please, I would like to recommend my channel and thumbs up the video. Thank you. Bye bye.